Today, we have the PJ Masks Rival Racers track playset, which once we assemble it will look like this awesome racetrack. It comes with two vehicles, Catboy in his Cat car, and Night Ninja in his Ninja bus. And there are two different launchers as well. One for this loop-de-loop, and the other one for this crash-through museum. And there are some bad guys as well, Luna Girl and Romeo. What do you say we put it together and start playing? Oh man, that's a lot of pieces. We better find the instructions. Here we go. I think they're in here. Alright, let's start building. First, I'm going to put some of these stickers onto the museum. Here's a sticker for the tympanum. A window. And another window here. Now let's add this door with the Ninjalinos. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, well, that didn't go on so well. Maybe we'll have better luck on the next one. Alright, I gotta be careful on this one. Alright. Alright, that's much better on that one. Now let's build the loop-de-loop. These pieces snap in like this. And another one here. And now for some super gecko muscles. Oh, that was kind of hard. Here's one of the launchers, and we can put our PJ Masks sticker on the front. And a Catboy sticker on the plunger. And these two totem wings go like this. Now let's finish up this little launch pad here that'll shoot them into the loop-de-loop. And now we can slide the loop-de-loop on. And here's the other launcher. This is the one for the ramp. So let's put that together. Here's the red ramp. It's gonna send them through those doors. But first we gotta build more of the track. Oh, Luna Girl, not yet. Alright, let's put the museum here. And now let's add the down ramp over here. Now it's time for Luna Girl. Let's put her sticker right here. And now for Romeo. He gets this cool arch here. And now we can put his sticker on. And he can catch the cars as they come out the end. Alright, we can attach that to the turn here. And then slide the ramp in. And finally the loop-de-loop. And we'll have our cool track ready to go. Whoa, look how big it is. It looks so fun. It's got two different ways that we can race our cars, so let's try it out. But first we need our cars. Here's Catboy in his cool cat car and Night Ninja in his bus. I really like Catboy's car here. And actually, he comes out as an opposable figure, so you can take him out and play with him separately. But let's put him back in so he can go for a ride on the race. Alright, here he goes. 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, here he is in super slow-mo. Can Romeo get him? No, he gets away. Now for Night Ninja and his cool bus. Alright, here he goes. Whoa, he made it too. But we need more cars. Whoa, what's this? It's a Paw Patroller. I wonder if that's got some more cars inside. Let's check it out. It's the Paw Patrol, and they've got really cool, unique cars for us to play with. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 different cars. First, let's send the Paw Patroller back home to Adventure Bay. First up is Marshall in this cool little red Corvette. Let's see if this one can make it through the loop-de-loop. Whoa, it just barely made it. Here it is in super slow-mo. And now for Chase in his blue Mustang police cruiser. Alright, here he goes. Whoa, he just blasted through the track. Now for Rubble. Rubble has an awesome yellow Hummer. Alright, let's check it out. Great job, Rubble! Whoa, I love the slow-mo action here. Alright, now we got Zuma in a little orange hot rod. Zuma is ready to dive in. Oh no, he crashed! Let's try again. Oh, wipeout! Are you okay, Zuma?
I'm okay.
Maybe you should try the ramp instead.
Okay.
We'll see you later. Zuma didn't make it, but maybe Sky can. In her race car with pink highlights. This car looks really fast. Here she goes, ready for the loop-de-loop. Oh, she got caught by Romeo. Now for Rocky in this cool green pickup truck. Whoa, he wiped out. Let's try again. There he goes. Whoa, that was super fast. Alright, now let's try the ramp launcher that's gonna send them up this ramp, through the bank doors, and into this stack of Tsum Tsums that somebody has put here. Here comes Catboy first. Smash! Whoa, what wreckage! That was pretty cool. Here it is in slow motion. Now for Sky. Whoa, she knocked almost all of them down. Awesome. And she wrecked too. Marshall's turn. Here he goes. Oh, he just clipped them on the side. Let's check that out again. Now for Chase. Smash right into the middle of them. Let's check out his onboard camera footage. Watch out for the Tsum Tsums. Oh no! And now for Night Ninja. Whoa, Night Ninja wrecked on the bank. But he still took out a couple of Tsum Tsums there. And here comes Zuma. What? He totally missed. Try again. He only got one Tsum Tsum? Zuma! Wah, wah, wah. Let's see if Rocky can do any better. Oh man, he knocked them almost all down. Check this out, that's so crazy. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And wait a minute, where's Zuma? Here I come! Oh my gosh! Hey, I had to knock some Tsum Tsums down too. Zuma!